Kmart is your savings store. Where your dollar buys you more. Kmart is the saving rate.
Hey guys, so we just got this vintage General Electric fridge. I'm gonna clean it. Look at how dirty it is inside. Oh, hi, hamburger. Okay. So, show you the after. Going down, got hamburger there. Ugh, this part should be fun. Ay, ay, ay. Alrighty, guys, this is what I was able to do. Got a lot of that rust off. I still need something more powerful to get the rest of it off. Cleaned all of this. There's still some stains that are harder to get off, that I'll need something stronger to get, but I think a lot of parts of it look really clean. Right down there, especially the top. Yeah, but it's getting there. It's getting there. It's almost looking brand new, especially on the doors. Alrighty, here's the front of it. Got it really clean in the front, except for this little mark here. The side of it's looking alright. Just got some like tape marks, but oh boy, it's getting there. It's getting there. This side still needs some help. Some of the stains are hard to come off on this side for some reason, but it's getting there. It is getting there. That I will tell you.